Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it is 12:23 and I'm gonna go get ready to go to my dietitian's appointment, which is scheduled for 1:30. I have literally been procrastinating and telling her tomorrow every day, and I just realized that I'm procrastinating it myself because maybe I don't want to follow the diet. But I just feel like if I can give myself 1 week to follow it, I will possibly see changes and I'll be happy in myself. Okay, anyways guys, have a look at these specs. I have no clue how do I look. I think I look like a whole different person. I look like a girl who's going to like a corporate 9 to 5 job, and I'm obsessed. Like maybe it's giving me a bit of a different personality than it used to because I've always worn those basic beige color specs. So yeah, I'll go get ready, I'll do puja, and I'll get back to you all. But I've always had this thing of dressing up cute even at appointments. So I feel like this would look very cute. I'll have to wear like a tank top inside this and just these basic pair of denims. Making a small list of questions that I have for her because I am paying a lot and I don't really want it to go waste when I'll come home and I'm like shit, मैं ये तो पूछना भूल ही गई. So I always make it a point to in my notes app फटाफट write like 4-5 questions that I have or like 4-5 queries that I have that I want to ask her, so that there I'm more confident and I can just simply ask her questions there. Really good breakfast ideas. Second question would be an alternative to coffee. I almost forgot about supplements because I want to know if taking supplements is good or not. We only have half an hour. I don't know the address, so let's hurry. I also had these super old supplements that I never use.
Bubble tea, what I've given you. Your khakra with avocado and all that, and dragon fruit. And other alternative I'm giving you, char. I have water, lemongrass, tulsi leaves, jaggery.
Okay guys, lunch is served. I'm having some bajra ka roti with cabbage and matar ka veggie, and I'm having some raita with it because this feels very dry sometimes. I got done with my lunch and now it's time to open some PR packages that I have received, and I'm genuinely curious because I don't know what's in this box. I also made a few purchases from H&M, so let's see what did I get because this was during sale. So I have my very first Zara package. For people who don't know, I actually only own this one specific Zara top which is like 4 to 5 years old, and I don't shop at Zara at all. Like I love going there, I love browsing, but for some reason I never really fit into any of Zara clothing pieces. We have this one basic white t-shirt that is literally on the verge of tearing. Like I've worn it so much because I love the cotton material. I can't tell who really sent this package to me since it doesn't have like any brand name written, so it's a bit suspicious. It looks like this. I hope you all can see it. Jaipuri printed bag, and I think it also comes with like a cross bag which is right here. H&M order. Let's do that first. This was for like 200 rupees and I think that it's like perfect for like summer wear. I have another blue colored collar t-shirt that I wanted to wear if I have to step out to like run errands. Kind of cropped, so it looks very smart. This is why I feel like I'm not really meant for like Zara clothing because it doesn't suit my body type. I always buy things but I end up returning it and it's so frustrating. Most of my days do look like this. I film in the morning and then in the night or in the afternoon I'm just editing. I just mixed some herbal tea that was recommended by my dietitian yesterday. I have been doing a lot of research on like how to grow my hair, and that's why I was just stimulating my scalp, and I try to do this every day where I just lightly massage my scalp for 1 minute. Every morning I do this small cleanup sesh where I just pick up things from last night or just organize them for like half an hour, 20 minutes max. Honestly so mad at myself, but this has been the reality. I have not been waking up early for at least the past 1 week and I've not been working out. I wanted to keep this vlog very realistic because like imagine 7 days of not working out and one day just working out for the sake of a video. That would not be very authentic, right? So I won't lie, I do want to start working out, but I feel like I'll do that off camera so that I can get real confidence to actually start working out and not just do it because y'all are watching. But now what I want to do is just get done with like a few tasks that are pending and just drop off this huge bag of clothes that need to be altered from like my wardrobe declutter series, because I want to alter these and like wear these more often now, and I'll just go there and get done with it once and for all. I'm literally being the most real version of myself that I can right now, and y'all cannot judge me. Back home now and it's time for an everything shower. I also want to make a super fun video on like my everything shower, like my shower routine or my body care routine. So let me know if y'all would be interested in something like that, because I bought this new scrub and it's like a game changer. It's so good. I'm out of the shower. I've had an everything shower. I'm just moisturizing my hands and now I'll take you all through my day. Now we have 3 things to take care of. Go and check my fruits because my mom ordered fruits from like a local vendor, so he just dropped it off. After that I'm just gonna go to Zara to return the tops that you all saw in the previous clips. And I'm so mad that none of the clothes actually fit me. I'm just hoping that if I go there I can just get a refund and then I'll just buy something that actually fits me. I actually start my diet for tomorrow, which I have taken today's day to like prep and prepare because I don't really have the tablets yet. I have to message my domat to ask her what brand tablets do I have to use her, and then I'll go buy like a few medicines here and there that I have to consume. I also really want to start filming for reels because it's been so hard to be consistent on YouTube and on reels. I also visited a domat a few days before and I had ordered my medicines which were supposed to come today. So let me just get on track and ask him where have they reached, because I don't want another day without taking my medicines. It's already been like 4 days.
So I'm thinking instead of going to the gym, I really just want to be outside, and I live in
Okay, so it has been so hard for me to actually film reels, maybe because I feel like I'm having a creative block, and I do have a lot of ideas. Don't get me wrong, I have ideas since like the last year, but I'm not able to execute them because I feel like I'll need like a videographer or I'll need some external help, and that's why I've been putting off so many ideas. Sometimes I don't like how I look on reels as well, so I don't really make it a point to put makeup or even film, but I do feel the slack and I'm really trying to put some quality content on reels too. Alright guys, ignore the mess. I just got done filming, but now I have a few fruits to show y'all. I was supposed to go and get them, but then my mom just ordered them for me, so I'll just give y'all like a small haul. These are some fruits that my dietitian has recommended me to use, so I better be having these fruits on a daily basis. Grapes right here, 2 avocados inside. Next up we have some fresh pineapple. My diet includes 2 slices of pineapple every day. Like that's what she's asked me to have. I don't know why, but I should be having 2 slices every day. Should have a slice right away. I didn't know pineapple helps with acidity, but yeah. Next up we have 2 whole dragon fruits. I should be having a lot of dragon fruit also, and some pear. I don't like pear that much, but again I should be having pear, so maybe I'll have it once a week. And lastly, my favorite fruit, that is pomegranate. And I'm glad mom got very less quantity, because I feel like this should be over in 2 weeks and then I can go buy more. Return. I reached here and I forgot that I don't have the physical bill with me, but then I called my brother up and he told me that you don't need a physical bill. So I just have to show my order and I'll get done with that. But I'm so hungry. Like, I don't know why I didn't eat before I left, but I'm feeling extremely hungry and the bus is literally delayed. And I'm waiting for it since the past 1 hour. I was starving and the line was super long and it was so crowded, but I'm glad that I got done with it. I am honestly starving, so we're just gonna have some bhel right now at my favorite place to ever have bhel. If anyone is coming to South Mumbai, also definitely have bhel here. I love this place so much. Okay, now you might see some very questionable clips that I'm gonna share with you, which was taken before December. Now I was gonna make a whole Christmas vlog, but I didn't feel like, because I feel like I was forcing myself a lot to make that kind of content. I just have like these random clips that I took during my Christmas day out. Like I was just going with my friends to a cafe, to Bandra, just to chill and enjoy. So now those clips don't make sense and I don't know what to do with it, so I just thought of sharing it here. And y'all can laugh, y'all can enjoy, y'all can judge, and y'all might be shocked seeing these clips.
The camera is so like,
It's
have to set up.
Yeah,
just put it
like
on
just
and
place it, yeah. Your CarPlay would have gotten better now.
That's so crazy.
And
so crazy.
what is that?
I was like, shall I get?
If it falls, we'll pick it up.
I was like, shall I get for Rene or no, because she takes my.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, you're not talking about things that I cannot put.
So you can beep it.
Beep.
So then you can say, do you have beep?
Yeah. Arey, it went. Shahan, I'm going to romantically sit out of the sunflower.
Listen, care पता निकला देख ले.
Isha, you're about to drop 72,000.
Rene थोड़ा left में जा. Sunlight block कर ये.
आजा.
No one is having beep.
Beep. No one's having
Rene,
beep.
Rene, you have to do like.
Okay, I'll do.
Listen, I will actually put it down, all this. Charm, Rene, move your thopadas. My scun, I'm saying scun. Sun is hitting here. Okay?
Sweet perfume.
Oh, Rene, I got. Diya, can you stop being on your phone every time we are out? Posted your reel. Yeah, so you have to delegate tasks accordingly. Delegate. Yeah, you have to delegate work. Okay, queen.
Honestly, all this in your vlog.
I don't know if I can put all this. I'm scared.
You're a Jan guy.
Can you zoom your psycho?
Stop zooming in more. Hi guys, this is my friend Prisha. This is Rene. Rene.
Full day, my full day with Diya is like this.
Rene needs space. Thank you.
Listen, guys.
Behave.
Thank you.
One coffee hit.
Hey.
Isha mix कर. I want to my dessert. I want a nice chocolate.
Diya.
Brazilian chocolate.
Excuse me, you like this coffee?
Look like virus.
मैं देख रही हूँ.
Have.
What is nice?
अरे
Put your arm there in my coffee, dude. अरे वो होता है ना हीरा पन्ना में.
You won't know.
अरे होता है वो नाके पे देखा मैंने टपरी के पास.
I hope you all enjoyed these random clips of my day. I do feel pretty productive and like I feel like I've got done with a lot of pending tasks. I just feel like I got rid of those boring tasks that I would put off otherwise. And yeah, that just makes me feel like now I can focus on other different things coming throughout my whole week. So that's there, and yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed watching it. If you all did, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know your thoughts on this video. I'll see you all very soon, guys. Bye.